Hey, fourth grade math, welcome to page 159, 160. Okay, 159 has a lot of cuadros, so you just have to be careful about what you're supposed to do in each one of them. If you look at number 1, letter A, you just look at the fraction and put your numerator and denominator. Remember that your numerator is the number on top and your denominator is the number on the bottom. Super fácil, okay? Look at letter B. Here you're looking for GCF. Okay, remember what you have to do with GCF, right? Your pairs of factors. Like, let's do this one. 4. What's my pairs of factors of 4? 1 times 4, 2 times 2. So what are my factors? 1, 2, and 4, right? 8. 1 and 8. 2 and 4. 1, 2, 4, 8. So what's my greatest common factor? 4. So how do I reduce my fraction? 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay? Remember how to do that? If you don't, text me, okay? Look at letter C. Then you do your multiples. Letter C with your multiples, 3 and 8. Okay. Remember what my strategy is. Find 8 first. Let's do a few for 8, the bigger one first. Okay, we have 8. Can 8 be divided by 3? No. 8 times 2 is 16. 16. Can 16 be divided by 3? Tampoco. Okay, let's do another one. 8 times 3, 24. Can 24 be divided by 3? Oh, yes. So 24 is our least common multiple. And all you have to do is put it over there in the box. Least common multiple, 24. Okay, so your first page is a piece of cake. That's what we say for something very easy, is a piece of cake. Look at number 2. Divide and write the remainder as a fraction. Always reduce, okay? Write your remainder as a fraction. You guys have been doing really good on division, so I'm going to let you do that. Number 3, letter A. You guys have to find your common denominators. Your common denominators. So I want to see if you guys remember those without me helping you. Okay? Look at number 4, letter A. Number 4, letter A. During study hall, Elizabeth spent 3/5 of the time. Number 4, letter A, 3/5. Okay, I'm going to write that down. Of the time on arithmetic, that's math, and 1/3 of the time on Bible. How much more of the study hall was spent on arithmetic than Bible? How much more? What do we do when we see how much more? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Scarlett? Subtract. So guess what you're going to have to do? 3/5 minus 1/3. You have to find your common denominator first, so don't forget to do that. I'm not going to do it for you. Look at letter B. Victor told Mr. Burkett that he spent 4/3 of study hall on his arithmetic paper. Is this possible? I'm going to help you guys with this one, okay? He spent 4/3 of the time on his arithmetic homework. Is that possible? No. Sorry, 4K. 4 is bigger than 3, which means you need to divide. It means that he spent 1 1/3 of the class on arithmetic. There's only one class. Not 1 1/3 of the class. How are you going to spend 1 1/3 of the class when there's only one class? So no, you can't do that. It's imposible. That means that Victor here is a little exagerado, don't you think? Yes, he is. Okay? Let's look at number 5, because I do want you to do these. Okay? Letter A says, it says estimate these answers. Estimate them. So it's nothing exact. Okay? You can do it in your head if you're estimating. Ready? Carly bought a biography of George Washington for $6.98. Do you guys know who George Washington is? First president of the United States. Okay? And a biography of Benjamin Franklin for $8.49. How much did she spend? About how much did she spend? Más o menos. Well, think about it. $6.98. Is that close to 7 or close to 6? Close to 7. And $8.49, close to 8 or close to 9? 8, because it's less than 50 cents, right? So what's 8 plus 7? I'm not going to tell you, but that's your answer, because it's an estimate. Look at letter B. Mike had $9.95 to spend at the gospel bookstore. He spent $3.10. About how much does he have left? Well, how much is $9.95? Is that close to 9 or close to 10? Close to 10. $3.10? Close to 9. Okay, close to 3. So, he had $10. He spent $3. How much does he have left? That's what you have to decide. Okay? Next one. I'm going to let you do that one on your own. The difference between this one and this one is closest to what? Difference is what? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Subtract. Okay, so go ahead and do that by yourself. And number 6 and number 7. Okay, the rest is up to you guys. Have a great day.